It is the 17th of September 2008, and we are at the drop-off site after the 2008 windstorm. Yeah, we got about 4 of the guys from the singles group out here helping out in the community, and this is one of the drop-off. This is just one of 6 drop-off sites for brush, and we got a couple of guys with the trucks out here working, and it's amazing what has happened here, but it's good to see people able to do things like this for the Lord, and pray that we continue to help people today. We'll make 2 or 3 loads like this. What do you think about this, Chris? Pretty amazing?
Oh, yeah.
You see anything like this in Georgia?
Not this bad.
Not this bad.
They have in Florida and Alabama.
Right. Well, stay tuned with us as well as we see the military even coming in to enforce things today too as well. So stay tuned. Just check back on our website and see what's going on as well. This is Philip.